Do you want to learn how you can enable dark mode in your Ring app? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable dark mode in the Ring app. Open the Ring app, go to the drop down menu on the left hand side, click on display, and you can see there are options of auto, always light and always dark. If you keep auto, then it will sync to your mode, and then if you keep always dark, it will be dark, and if you keep extra dark, the screen will be full black, and if you keep always light, it will be light. Let me show it to you once again how you can enable dark mode. Go to the Ring app, click on the drop down menu on the left hand side, go to display, and you can select always dark. If you select auto and if you turn off the dark mode in your phone, the app will be in light mode. So if you want to keep it in dark mode, you can keep always dark, and you could choose between the standard and extra dark option. So this was a video on how you can enable dark mode in the Ring app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.